Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Anjali and these are the headlines. Petrol prices have crossed the century mark in Goa. Most parts of the country, Mumbai almost 110 rupees per litre. After being buffeted with rising discontent, anger at leadership strategy, Congress finally forced to give an open call for alliances. Goa will get thunderstorm accompanied by lightning. Fishermen are advised not to go to sea. And now for the news in detail. Petrol prices have crossed the century mark in Goa and most of the parts of the country. In fact, in Mumbai, it is almost 110 rupees per litre.
Petrol prices have been going up over the last couple of weeks. Auto LPG prices have gone up by around 25 paise per kilo since October 1. Oil industry sources explained that crude prices were going up due to a combination of factors like demand and less production. Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panjim.
Amidst hectic jockeying for candidates, positioning and posturing, the Congress was finally forced to give an open call for alliances today.
The Congress, the dominant party in the state for so long, and after that the premier opposition party, has been hit by allegations of internal politics. It is also facing a leadership crisis. There have been bitter fights between its top leaders, not only in Goa but also in Punjab and even in Delhi. Now Congress Goa in charge has sought to tell everyone that the grand old party is open to an alliance with like-minded parties.
हम like-minded जो गोवा के अंदर काम किए हैं, गोवा के साथ सालों साल काम किए हैं और गोवा लोगों के साथ इधर जान पहचान है और जो सेक्युलर फ़िलॉसफी में विश्वास रखते हैं, उनके साथ हम बात करने के लिए तैयार है और बातचीत भी कर रहे हैं और कांग्रेस लीडरशिप भी हमको एडवाइज्ड अस कि आप लाइक माइंडेड ग्रुप्स और लाइक माइंडेड पार्टीज़ और लाइक माइंडेड सपोर्टर्स के साथ आप बातचीत करके आप फाइनलाइज कीजिए, क्योंकि इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ गोवा वो करने के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी तैयार है. सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स ओनली हैपन जब इलेक्शन आता है, वही जब ही ये सब होता है ना, क्योंकि सब लोग वेट करते हैं क्या है सिचुएशन और क्या माहौल क्या है, सब इसी टाइम पर सब होता है. तो वी डिड हैव सम इनफॉर्मल अलायंसेस ड्यूरिंग द म्यूनसिपैलिटी. वो लोकल म्यूनसिपैलिटीज़ के ऊपर हम छोड़े थे कि आप लोकल के साथ आप जो भी अलायंस करना चाहते हैं उनको छोड़े थे हम. लेकिन नाउ इट्स अ स्टेट सब्जेक्ट, सो हम सब बातचीत करके वी विल फाइनलाइज. No. I told even last time also that we are open to talk with like-minded groups, like-minded parties, like-minded supporters. So that is the official line that the High Command has given us the mandate. Last meeting we had in Delhi, that was a mandate given by the High Command, including Chidambaram ji, myself, all leaders were there, and that was a mandate given. See, I don't want to name any political party now or any particular individual also. But we are in talks, and it should be in the interest of it should be interest of Goa, and to give a good stable government. We can't have this kind of reputation again, where this instability leads to what? Corruption. Because to form a government, if you are basing it on corruption, then the government itself will become corrupt later, because that is the way the government has been formed. So we want a proper, stable, which will work in the interest of Goa, and we can give a good government which can develop Goa. There are so many issues. So on that plank we want to work. See, Congress has got leaders, Congress has got in every constituency, where we are strong, we have got a lot of competition going on for every constituency. In most of the constituencies we have, actually if you look at it, all the other political parties are trying to encroach upon the Congress, because they don't have their faces, they don't have their candidates. So they are saying, they are trying to talk to Congress aspirants, they are talking to Congress ZP members, they are even talking to Congress councillors. They have gone down to that extent. And what are they talking? They are saying, we will give you 15 crores, we will give you 10 crores, we will give you 1 crore, we will give you 25 lakhs, we will give you 15 lakhs. Money is being offered like this.
To these people also?
All these people, this is the approach of these political parties which have come to divide the secular vote, these outfits which have come to divide the secular vote. Their approach is what? We will fund, we will give you money, we will give you all these things, come and join us. Because so far nobody has joined and they're getting more and more desperate. So they are talking in where is this money coming from? See, again, what is this source of this money? And what kind of a government can these people give when they're trying to buy, purchase? They don't have their own workers, they don't have their own leaders. They are trying to hire, purchase and auction. It's like, okay, come, we will give you more money, we'll give you. The more they delay, the more the price is going up. So this is completely, they will destroy Goa.
He also attacked his former colleague Luisino Faleiro and IPAC, calling the shifting to TMC a deal.
So very clear by the admission of Sri Luisino Faleiro that he said he has not even seen Mamata Banerjee or met her also. Still he joins the party. So if I was joining a political party, I would at least like to meet the political leader before I join the party. If I am joining Congress, I would like to go and meet Rahul ji and Sonia ji before I join. So here, he himself has admitted that he has only met Prashant Kishore and IPAC. So it shows that this is a deal. When someone of a stature of a former CM has not even met the leader of the party which he wants to join, and he has spoken with a middle person, I would say they are middlemen. So a middleman has convinced Mr. Faleiro to join TMC. And before joining, he has never met TMC leaders. So it is very clear that a middleman has played a role in fixing this deal. That is the inference. So Mr. Luisino Faleiro has struck a deal. He has not joined TMC. It is his own for whatever self-gain. And IPAC is the middleman. Mr. Prashant Kishore is become the middle person in this transaction that has taken place.
Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panjim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Two persons arrested for mobile theft by the Vienna police, namely 18-year-old Javed Maldar, resident of Nube and native of Belgaum, and 20-year-old Prakash, resident of Malpat, Margao.
The two were arrested on a complaint that they had snatched a mobile phone from one person after approaching him on a bike and grabbing the phone from him. Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A Goan girl, Marcy Gomes, bagged the first place for design for the fashion show organized by Whistling Woods Academy, Mumbai. She sought to showcase Goan tradition and culture in her designs. Watch this.
Hello, I'm Julian Alvarez, Head of Department, School of Fashion, Whistling Woods International, Mumbai. At our institution, we inculcate innovation in design and sustainability of textile, craft and the artisans at the helm of any design project our students embark on. When Marcy Gomes came to me with the idea of wanting to use an inspiration from her roots for her collection, the first thing that came to mind was the efforts put in by Mr. Melville Rodrigues, Ms. Savita Suri and Ms. Sawana Gauri in the revival of the Kundi. And this resonated with Marcy's intentions of bringing the art and craft of her homeland Goa to the forefront. Combining that with the craft of basket weaving and the use of shells in heritage architecture, these three elements were the foundation of her design collection. And I think she has done us all proud with the way in which she put the collection together.
My name is Marcy Gomes and I am a fashion designer from Goa. I graduated from Whistling Woods International and here is my graduating collection. For this collection, I used 3 types of fabrics. I collaborated with Ms. Suvarna, a fabric curator from Goa, to develop 2 types of Kundi fabrics that I designed myself. I also used mother of pearl shells that I got from the beach to create a bustier and accessories that I used in my collection, along with bamboo that was hand woven to form a net that I used to accentuate my looks.
Goa 365 Bureau.
And now for the weather. Goa is likely to get partly cloudy sky with light fog haze early in the morning. Thunderstorm accompanied by lightning are also very likely. Fishermen are advised not to venture into Northeast Arabian Sea and East Central Arabian Sea along and off Gujarat coast, East Central Arabian Sea and along and off Maharashtra, Goa coast and Southeast Arabian Sea. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.gaw365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Gaw365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Gaw365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Gaw365.